And for good luck, I'm bringing this guy. I also need help naming him, so if you have any ideas, tell me. Because I love this. This dragon, I got it for Easter. It's so good. And, yeah. We're going to Target. Well, I already said that, but yeah, we're here. So I'm quickly doing a Needoh unboxing. It's just so hard to get this Needoh out of there. Okay, I'm going to do it this way. So that's easier. I got this Needoh, and it was just in the sun, so it's color changing as well. It's really cool. It's the marshmallow Needoh. And then, also got a blue Needoh, so I got 2 of them. They're really good.